Chewy, did you put him in there?
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yeah, huh?
No.
Well, go away. I'm gonna take him out.
No, don't take my food out. He's mine.
Here, Kiwi.
No, just stop. Stop.
Don't you say that to me. No.
Don't you argue with me. He's my food.
Kiwi's my bird.
Nathan, you better. No, don't video me. Nathan, thank you. You better come back
I'll
here.
take you back to your cage.
Nathan, I'm running away from you. I'm running away.
Here, stay here for a second. Get over here. Get over here. Get over here. That mean cat. Here, Kiwi. Thank you. I'll take you back to your cage. Yeah. Okay. Come on. There's that Natty. There's that mean cat. Go. There's that mean cat.
Don't touch me. Don't. Okay. Not for real.
I got you.
No.
Now you're gonna go in your cage.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Let me down this instant.
Just a sec. Get in there.
No. It's ha. No. That's even worse. It's hot. It's hot in there.
And you stay in there, okay? I'm gonna put it on off, 10 degrees, and all 10.
No.
I can
You
stay there for like